Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Nisaba, renowned as the Mesopotamian goddess of wisdom, knowledge, and writing. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Nisaba. What does Nisaba represent in mythology? Goddess Nisaba, an ancient deity from Mesopotamian mythology, holds immense significance as the embodiment of wisdom, knowledge, and writing. Revered as the divine patroness of scribes and scholars, she represents the transformative power of intellect and the pursuit of knowledge. Nisaba's presence signifies the recognition of the written word as a vessel for preserving history, transmitting culture, and inspiring personal and collective growth. As the keeper of cosmic wisdom and the divine scribe, she guides seekers of knowledge, offering clarity, inspiration, and guidance on the path of intellectual and spiritual enlightenment. Nisaba's influence reminds us of the profound impact that wisdom and knowledge can have on shaping our understanding of the world and fostering personal transformation. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Nisaba. The Wise Muse, exploring the archetypal traits of Goddess Nisaba. Goddess Nisaba, the Wise Muse, embodies a captivating set of archetypal traits that resonate with seekers of wisdom and knowledge. As the archetype of the scholar and the scribe, Nisaba represents intellectual brilliance, deep insight, and the transformative power of written word. Her essence inspires a thirst for knowledge and a profound connection to the realm of ideas. Nisaba's archetypal presence encompasses traits such as curiosity, introspection, and a love for learning, symbolizing the eternal student on a lifelong quest for enlightenment. She encourages introspective journeys and stimulates creative expression through writing, unlocking the potential within each individual to connect with cosmic wisdom. The archetypal embodiment of Goddess Nisaba reminds us that within the realms of knowledge and scholarship lie the keys to personal and collective transformation and the limitless possibilities of the human intellect. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Nisaba. From ancient scripts to personal growth. The timeless influence of Nisaba. Revered as the divine patroness of scribes and scholars, she represents the transformative power of intellect and the pursuit of knowledge. Nisaba's presence signifies the recognition of the written word as a vessel for preserving history, transmitting culture, and inspiring personal and collective growth. As the keeper of cosmic wisdom and the divine scribe, she guides seekers of knowledge, offering clarity, inspiration, and guidance on the path of intellectual and spiritual enlightenment. Nisaba's influence reminds us of the profound impact that wisdom and knowledge can have on shaping our understanding of the world and fostering personal transformation. Part 4. The story of Goddess Nisaba. From ancient scrolls to divine revelations, Arya's journey with the written word. Once upon a time, in the ancient land of Mesopotamia, there lived a young girl named Arya. Arya was known throughout her village for her insatiable thirst for knowledge and her deep love for the written word. She spent countless hours in the local library, immersing herself in the scrolls and tablets that held the wisdom of the ancient Scribes. One day, as Arya was engrossed in deciphering an ancient text, a warm glow enveloped the room. Startled, she looked up and saw the radiant figure of Goddess Nisaba before her. Her eyes gleamed with wisdom, and her presence emanated a sense of profound knowledge. Goddess Nisaba spoke to Arya, her voice as melodic as a symphony. She revealed that she had been observing Arya's unwavering dedication to learning and her reverence for the written word. Nisaba recognized in Arya a kindred spirit and bestowed upon her a sacred purpose. "Arya, dear child," Nisaba said, "I have chosen you to be my conduit, to carry forth the torch of wisdom and knowledge. You shall be my muse, inspiring others to seek truth through the power of words." Overwhelmed by the honor, Arya accepted her divine calling with humility and gratitude. From that moment on, she dedicated her life to preserving ancient texts, penning her own insights and sharing the wisdom she acquired. As Arya continued her journey, she discovered a hidden gift. She possessed an innate ability to unlock the hidden meanings within the written word, to uncover the layers of knowledge that lay beneath the surface. People from far and wide sought her counsel, eager to tap into the wisdom flowing through her. Guided by Goddess Nisaba's presence, Arya became a beacon of knowledge, inspiring others to embark on their own quests for truth and self-discovery. Her words had the power to ignite the flames of curiosity and enlightenment in the hearts of those who listened. As time passed, Arya's reputation spread far and wide, and she became known as the Luminary of Nisaba. People traveled from distant lands to seek her guidance, and she welcomed them with open arms, offering profound insights and profound understanding rooted in the wisdom of the goddess. Arya's devotion to knowledge and her connection with Goddess Nisaba touched the lives of countless individuals, leaving an indelible mark on the world. Through her, the ancient wisdom continued to flow, nurturing the minds and souls of those who sought it. And so, the story of Arya, the chosen muse of Goddess Nisaba, serves as a testament to the power of knowledge and the written word to illuminate our paths and guide us on the journey of self-discovery and transformation. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Nisaba archetype. Strategy 1. Cultivating intellectual curiosity. Inspired by the archetype of Goddess Nisaba as the scholar, cultivating intellectual curiosity becomes a valuable strategy for personal transformation. Explore new subjects, read books, attend lectures, or enroll in courses that expand your knowledge and challenge your perspectives. Embrace a growth mindset, valuing intellectual growth and the pursuit of wisdom. By continuously seeking knowledge and broadening your intellectual horizons, you open yourself to new ideas, insights, and transformative experiences. Strategy 2. Embracing the power of writing. As the patroness of writing, Goddess Nisaba highlights the transformative potential of this art form. Incorporating writing into your personal transformation journey can be incredibly powerful. By journaling, expressing your thoughts, feelings, and experiences through writing, you create a space for self-reflection, self-discovery, and personal growth. Writing allows you to delve deep into your inner world, gaining clarity, insight, and understanding. It also serves as a tool for manifestation, as you can set intentions, affirmations, and goals in writing, amplifying their impact and aligning yourself with your desires. Strategy 3. Developing a learning community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are also on a path of personal growth and transformation. Create or join learning communities, book clubs, or study groups where you can engage in meaningful conversations, share insights, and support one another's journeys. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. Namwan. Gather items that symbolize knowledge and writing, such as a quill or pen, parchment or paper, a candle, and incense. 2. Find a quiet and undisturbed space where you can perform the ritual. Begin by cleansing the space with incense or sage, purifying the energy and creating a sacred atmosphere. Light the candle, representing the illumination of knowledge and wisdom. 3. Take a moment to reflect on your personal journey of growth and transformation. Consider the times when knowledge and wisdom have played significant roles in your life. 4. Acknowledge the impact that the written word has had on your development, whether through books, personal writings, or the wisdom of others. 5. Take the quill or pen and parchment or paper in your hands, recognizing them as tools of creation and expression. Feel the weight of the pen in your hand and the texture of the paper. Reflect on the power of writing and the ability to capture thoughts, emotions, and knowledge on the page. 6. With intent and reverence, write a letter or journal entry to Goddess Nisaba. Express your gratitude for the wisdom you have received and the growth you have experienced through the written word. Share your aspirations for further knowledge and personal transformation. Pour your thoughts, dreams, and desires onto the page, knowing that Nisaba will receive and honor them. 7. Light the incense, symbolizing the rising of your intentions and offerings to the divine. Express your appreciation for Nisaba's presence and the blessings bestowed upon you. 8. Take a moment to sit in silence, basking in the energy of the ritual. Absorb the wisdom and guidance you have invoked. When you feel ready, offer a closing prayer or affirmation, expressing your gratitude and acknowledging the ritual's conclusion. 9. After the ritual, consider keeping your written offering in a sacred space or incorporating it into a personal journal. A final message, words of wisdom from Nisaba. Knowledge is the currency of the mind, and writing is the tool to spend it wisely. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.